This is the real problem with plant projects. So, of course, plants are a giant part of research, which makes sense as they make up a lot of what we do in society. I mean, they serve for a bunch of our food source, a lot of our medicine, and also a ton of the filtered air that we actually need to breathe. So, generally, plants are a big part of actual research, and definitely scientific research as a whole. But the main problem that a lot of this research has that is actually very simple is the fact that plants don't all grow at the same rate. It's almost like plants experience the placebo effect when in a research study. It's very possible that the 10 plants that performed better than the other 10 plants just did so straight because of luck. Plants, in my opinion, are just so fragile to the surrounding environment, and what I mean by that is the fact that just a subtle change in the surroundings of a plant or just where they're put in a room can greatly affect the amount that the plant actually grows. So, for example, in a lab setting, you would have to set up your control right next to your experimental group, and that still could be affected by other factors like sunlight and position and just generally overcrowding. This just means that plant research is especially questioned in terms of its reliability, and no matter what the p-values tell you, you really can't be that sure that the experimental group actually did anything in the first place because you actually have to prove it with more than hundreds of plants.